if you can see that sign down there, but it says on the left the face, on the right the chute. And we are heading to the chute. The face is just a groomed run. It's not really anything. The chute's sort of like a really nice natural half pipe. And compared to conditions this morning when I was on Robin Hood, go check that video out, there's been a lot of snowfall and the snow's really softened and visibility's got so much better. So it's turned into a really good day. But yeah, when I was a young child, last time I came here, I used to think this was the scariest run. Natural half pipe. Freshies. Yeah, it's a fun little run shoot. I enjoy it. Caution. Oh, we got a cataract. Yeet. And cut back down. Oh, there it is, way back up there. There you go.